Hello, this is Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Let us discuss the problems in continuation of the lecture 4. Now, lecture 5. Next problem. Find the real root of the equation find the real root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 up to 5 iterations or stages by the bisection method, So, no need of the 11 or maybe 12 iterations. Simply, they are asking the real root of the given equation when you proceed up to 5 iterations. So only 5 iterations are enough. So that the solution is to be the same only up to 5 iterations. F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. And as they are not giving the interval in this problem, in all the previous problems we have the interval is there. In that interval the required root is lying. Whereas now how to find out the required interval? By trial and error method. By trial and error. Let us do the f of 1 or maybe f of 0 also. If you take f of 0, 0 minus 5, it is less than 0. At least one value must be positive and one value must be negative. Otherwise, the first value may be negative and the second value may be positive. So at least the positive and negative values we need. That functional values are to be positive and negative values, or negative and positive values accordingly. So the f of 1 is equal to here 1 cube minus 2 into 1 minus 5 is equal to how much it is in simplification also 1 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 6 is less than 0. Next, f of 2 is equal to what we are verifying? Applying the integral values in the function so that it may be less than 0, 1 and other may be positive. If both will be less than 0, again we will continue. Next, it is 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 is less than 0. So 1 is less than 0, 2 is less than 0. Both are less than 0 or both may be positive 0, so that the required root does not lies in between 1 and 2. So goes to the next positive integral or maybe negative integral accordingly. So that 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 16. It is greater than 0. So one is negative, the other one is positive. So automatically the root lies between the root lies between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So that let the first approximation root x1 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So even here also it is to be like this, as the function it is there, it is to be 3 and this side is 2, and the it is f of 2 is less than 0. So that from these two, f of 2 into f of 3 is less than 0. So this is automatically that x1 value is equal to 2.5, and this is f of 3 is greater than 0. F of 2 into f of 3 automatically is less than 0. Next, so put that value f of 2.5 in the function. F of x1 is equal to f of 2.5 is equal to 2.5 whole cube minus 2 into 2.5 minus 5 is equal to the value is to be simplified almost, it is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. So whenever this value is greater than 0, so that the root lies between in this between 2.5 is there, as it is positive goes to the left side, it is 2 and 2.5. So that second approximation root x2 is equal to 2 plus 2.5 by 2 is equal to 2.25. So f of x2 is equal to f of 2.25 is equal to 2.25 whole cube minus 2 into 2.25 minus 5. So that value is to be simplified, it is to be greater than 0. As it is to be greater than 0, again the root lies between as positive it is, middle is 2.25 and goes to the left side, between 2 and 2.25. So that third approximation root is x3 is equal to 2 plus 2.25 by 2 is equal to 2.125. Here is f of 2.125 is equal to 2.125 whole cube minus 2 into 2.125 minus 5, and its value is to be is less than 0. As it is to be less than 0, the root lies between as it is less than 0. Less than 0 means from the value to the right side, as the root lies between the root lies between 2 and 2.125. 2.125. Next, x4 is equal to 2 plus 2.125 divided by 2 is equal to 2.0625. So f of x4 is equal to f of 2.0625 is equal to 2.0625 whole cube minus 2 into 2.0625 minus 5. It is less than 0. It is less than 0. As it is less than 0, the root lies between 2.0625 and its right side value is, if it goes to the middle, 2.125. So that the next approximation root is average of 2.0625 plus 2.125 divided by 2 is equal to 2.09375. So that only 5 iterations. Thus the approximation root thus the fifth approximation root x is equal to 2.09375 only up to the 5 iterations or 5 stages. So what will be the fifth approximation root? The fifth approximation root is x is equal to 2.09375. So they cannot be asking the exact root. So if we are in proceeding up to the 5 stages, so what will be the fifth approximation root for the given equation? Next, the fifth problem in continuation. Fifth problem. Find the find the real root of x cube minus 26 is equal to 0 up to 4 iterations, up to 4 iterations, up to 4 iterations by the bijection method, by the bisection method. See that the only previously the 3 terms are there in the equation, only 2 terms are there now, x cube minus 26 up to 4 iterations by the bijection method. So as exact root may be getting for this equation if x cube minus 27 is equal to 0. So that x cube is equal to x is equal to 3. X cube is equal to 27 means x is equal to 3 is the exact root of this equation. Whereas now x cube minus 26 is equal to 0 is x cube is equal to 26. X is equal to cube root of 26. It is the approximate root of the equation. Right. The solution. Let f of x is equal to x cube minus 26. The procedure is same as we applied in all the 4 problems. Next, by as interval not given, by trial and error, by trial and error. So f of 1 is equal to is what? F of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 26. It is minus 25 is less than 0. Even f of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 26. Again is to be less than 0. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 26 is equal to 1 is greater than 0. Right. See that here. From these two values, f of 2 into f of 3 is less than 0. So automatically the required real root lies between 2 and 3. Lies between 2 and 3. See that. The root lies between the root lies between 2 and 3. Let the first approximation root x1 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So f of 2 point or x1 is equal to f of 2.5. Right. Is equal to 2.5 whole cube minus 26. So you can proceed finding out the x2, x3 and x4 values as to apply the procedure, so that similarly you do it. Similarly, you can find the remaining approximations up to 4 iterations. x2 is equal to 2.75, x3 is equal to 2.875, x4 is equal to 2.8725. Hence the fourth approximation root. Fourth approximation root, x is equal to 2.8725. Actually it is 3. Exact root for 27, whereas for 26 it is 2.8725. So like that we can find the cube root of 26. Cube root of 26. So thank you very much. Thank you.